Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. Watch out, guys. More banks are failing, guys, and we're going to be talking about that. We're going to be talking about why did Bitcoin and cryptocurrency crash almost 5% yesterday. Why did we give up most of April's gains were lost in one single day? So I'm going to tell you what the catalyst was that caused that big dump, and where are we going to go from here? Also, we're going to be talking about Pepe out there. Pepe out there. So it's a great time to be live, guys. So don't forget to go down there, smash the like, lick the likes, show some love. And if you're watching for the first time, I appreciate it. I thank you. And thank you for being here. I appreciate that. And also, guys, do become a member. And remember, none of this is financial advice. It's just the OG in the house expressing my opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So with all that said and done, let's get into the content, guys. So what did we see yesterday for the U.S. stocks out there? So we did see that most of the crypto market and most of the broader markets were down. Down. A lot of that had to do with this out here. That JP Morgan Chase takes over First Republic after the biggest U.S. bank failure since 2008. So we have seen that right now it is confirmed that the First Republic has gone down, and it's been bought out by JP Morgan. But it's interesting to note that even though JP Morgan bought the First Republic, you guys all have to understand that what happened out there is that the Fed Deposit Insurance agreed to absorb most of the losses on mortgages, commercial loans, and JP Morgan is getting also provided with 50 billion credit lines. So that's interesting out there. And keep in mind that all this absorption of all the outstanding debt out there for First Republic out there, this 50 billion, where is it coming from? Well, basically, the FDIC tells the Treasury to print more freaking money. So, and what they're going to be doing is they're going to be, starting up the printing presses, and ultimately, you and me, we pay for that, guys. So that's interesting. So JP Morgan is getting about 92 billion in deposits in the deal, which includes 30 billion that other large banks put into First Republic last month. Remember when the Fed did ask other banks to help out and bail out? The bank is taking on 173 billion in loans and 30 billion in security as well. But basically, all the bad debt has been absorbed, and taxpayers are going to be getting a $50 billion bill indirectly because, like I said, the Treasury is just going to start printing more money, guys. So the printing press is going to be on, and if you listen loud enough, you can hear that. You can hear the printing of all the dollars, guys. So that means that overall the value of the dollar is just going to go down, down. So Jeremy Diamond, after the purchase of First Republic, did come out and say, Jeremy Diamond says, this part of the crisis is over after JP Morgan Chase buys First Republic. So he believes that the crisis is over and all the banks are solid and there's nothing to worry about. Pretty similar to what Inverse Jim Cramer Snowflake said out there. I don't believe it for a minute. I absolutely don't believe it for a minute. And did you guys know that First Republic Bank was the second largest bank failure in U.S. history? Wow. Only Washington Mutual, which failed in 2008, was the biggest. But remember, at time of collapse, in fact, the total assets of First Republic was actually greater than 307 billion. That perspective, we can see that 2023, we've had three major banks fail. We had Silicon Valley. I remember a lot of tech companies had a lot of their funds there, but they did get bailed out. We also have Signature Bank. So you can see that this year is been pretty damning, pretty hard, pretty bad for banks. But the narrative here, ladies and gentlemen, is that best safe haven against inflation and best safe haven to put your funds is Bitcoin. So this is really a good poster child for more and more reasons why we should be moving some of our assets into silver, gold, and Bitcoin, guys. So do what you got to do out there, but it's not looking good. I think there's more to come. That's just me. I may be wrong. And also, it's kind of interesting when the Treasury Department comes out and says, breaking, U.S. Treasury says the country's banking system is sound and resilient, and Americans should have confidence in the safety of their deposits. Oh, okay. So I think that's kind of interesting. Nothing to see here. Please disperse. So what do you guys think? Do you think that, the banking system is sound and that nobody should worry and everybody should be happy? Tell me what you think out there. I love to freaking know out there. Interesting. Also, guys, did you guys know that yesterday, one of the big reasons why Bitcoin went down yesterday and is trading right now, Bitcoin right now is trading around about, as I look at it, 28,170. One of the big reasons we had this dump yesterday is because the whole First Republic Bank being bought out was announced in Asia time, guys. So that is what's going on. That is why we're seeing Bitcoin going down. You can see that First Republic shares are still down 97%. Debbie Downer out there. We did see that Pac West also, all their stocks are down. So a lot of these banks are down right now. We also saw that Bitcoin went below 28,000 as well. May 1st, as Wall Street opens market, digested fresh United States banking jitters. So that is pretty good, guys. And I think there's more to come. Absolutely more to come. And remember, one of the reasons this tanked yesterday is because it was announced during Asia market open session. So that's what that's all about, guys. That is what that's all about. So what else is going on? Bitcoin races April gains. So like I said, all of April gains are gone, bye-bye, out of there. And that's not a good look out there. So it's all gone. You can see here that basically all of the gains in April have been wiped out. But overall, we are seeing that, year to date, we're still up. So that is pretty good out there. What am I expecting for May? Well, according to this chart, Bitcoin sees 3% increase in April. Nice. But May, we lost it all. But typically, if you look at Bitcoin closed 2023, a price increase of 3.05%. So that's significantly below the average. If you look at the averages of May, you can see that the averages should be, in April, should be about 10%. May should be about 10%. May is usually a positive month for crypto with an average return of 10%. Yes, no, what do you guys think? Do you think that May we're going to close in the red, or we're going to close up 10%? Guys, let me know. But right now, so far for May, we're down 3.98%, giving out all the gains of April. But month to date, we're still up, guys. And if you take a look at the quarterly returns, you can still see that we are up over 70% so far. So not too shabby from that perspective, guys. So, zoom out when you're trying to use your friend. We see Bitcoin going down. I think it's a good time to be buying the dips. I'm going to be buying some more Bitcoin today as well. So I think it's good. So this update from Mustache looks like update. It's finally happened. A bullish monthly cross in the MACD, as the last time we saw the 2-week cross taken from took Bitcoin from 16 to 30K. So we're still seeing that the MACD has crossed on the 2-week. Here we saw that here. A monthly cross is huge and has only happened in 2012, 2019. It did happen here, but this was an exception because we had this whole debacle out there. So maybe even though Bitcoin is down right now, bullish MACD cross, maybe Bitcoin is going to be going up. I mean, long term, it's going to be going up, in my opinion. And this is according to a Finders research poll that just came up. This is kind of giving the predictions of what BTC will close in 2023. So it's saying, and remember, this is very conservative in my opinion. They're saying that 2023. And this is like a consortium of different fintech companies. They put their heads together and said, "Oh, these are going to be the price targets for these years." So 2023, they're saying that we're going to be hitting 35,458. Interesting out there. And in 2025, they're looking for a target of $100,000. And in 2030, they're looking for about $297,848. So this is very conservative. I mean, I personally think that in April, not in April, but 2023, I think we could do a lot better. I think we can probably close around $50,000 range. That's just me, not financial advice. You do you out there. Remember, don't forget to pay yourself, take profits if you're up 200%. But, even if you look at these price targets, $100,000 in 2025, lovely jubbly. And if you take a look at 2030 from where we are now, that's not too far away. That is not too far away, guys and gals. We're about 6 years from now. So it's well worth the wait. Absolutely well worth the wait out there, in my opinion, guys. So don't sleep on Bitcoin. Don't sleep on crypto. This is coming in from Mustache. Looks like BTC reclaimed the 28.6 price is finding some resistance at the following trend line For upwards continuation, price must break above 29,800. So we need to get ourselves above 29,800. If the price starts closing below 28.6, we might see a deeper pullback. And we could see a deep pullback below 22 down to about 28.6. So once again, just to recap, we can see that Bitcoin right now is at $28,106. It is below our 50-day moving average, is below 100 and 200-day moving average. So that is not looking positive right now for Bitcoin, guys. But I'm not panicking. I think this is a buying opportunity. So it looks like phase 2 has been initiated. Bottom was in at about 15.8. So do not worry about it. And we're seeing a little bit of a pullback just slightly below the 100-day EMA out there. So Bitcoin will come back. It will come back. Let's wait and see. We have the FOMC meeting that is coming out as well. That is coming out shortly. FOMC is going to be out in 1 day and 18 hours. And definitely 92% is saying we're going to get 25 basis points. So let's see how the markets react to that. Interesting factoid, there is no move that fiat overlords can make that will prevent Bitcoin from taking over as a global reserve asset. Checkmate. So basically they're saying that, fiat is dead. Fiat is dead out there, absolutely dead out there. Now let's take a look at what's going on with the heat map. The heat map looks terrible out there. Push man, definitely Annabelle Day. Thank you, Annabelle. She's been lurking. She's been waddling. She's been driving the crypto prices down. OMG. Everything is just a big blind bloodbath out there. Fear and greed. However, despite all of the downness, we're still seeing that fear and greed is up at 63 right now. So that's kind of interesting. It's kind of weird. Looks like people still have confidence in Bitcoin. Do not sleep on Bitcoin. Do not sleep on crypto out there. Let's take a look at the crypto market cap. Don't forget to smash Dogecoin 111. And if you love this channel like I love you guys, don't forget to go down there. Give us super thanks. It looks like a hard mark. Go down there. Support the channel any way you can. We're seeing Bitcoin dollars is down right now. It's 46.9. And Ethereum dollars is also going down as well. We're seeing right now that Bitcoin is down 2.29%. We're seeing that Ethereum is down as well, 2.80%. We're seeing that XRP is down. Cardano is down 2.37%. Doge is down, and we are well below our 8 cents. So that had to do with because Bitcoin is down. That's why everything is going down. Polymatic is down. Everything is down right now. That's what it is, guys. We're seeing the U.S. dollar index is also up. It rebounded because the FOMC is coming and 25 basis points. So that is one of the reasons that is going up right now. We're seeing that the S&P is down, as I told you. Ethereum is also down. Down. It's at 1832. And right now we're seeing that Ethereum is well below our EMA ribbons, just above the 50 right now. So this is very bearish out there. We have broken down below my trending support line. The whole rising wedge has been invalidated right now. So the next stop for Ethereum is probably, we could be seeing worst case scenario about 1671. Let's see if the 1832 level, the 1800 level will hold as support. I'm hoping it does. So what's going on with this coin? Pepe came out from nowhere, and we're seeing that Pepe surged like 2,000%. What? And we're seeing a lot more exchanges. Have added this Pepe coin, and that's a Ethereum-based smart contract, by the way. The developer behind it are anonymous, and basically they wanted to jump on the frog meme coin bandwagon, and it's now the third biggest meme coin out there in terms of market cap. So it looks like we got OKX has announced it as well. That's going to be adding. Also looks like several exchanges, including Max Global, BitGet, Gate.io, Hubei, have listed Pepe trading pairs, guys. So the token has been up 2,340% since April 17th, and now is trading at a ton of zeros at 12.23. Pretty similar kind of pattern that's going on that we saw with Shiba Inu in the early days. So Pepe coin enters the market top 100 cryptocurrencies, soaring 111% overnight. That was because of the new exchanges that have listed it. So should you buy this coin? Should you not buy this coin? I can't tell you what to do. I can't advise you. But if you're one of these kind of crazy degens out there, I mean, personally, I wouldn't put all my money into Pepe out there. It's definitely a big FOMO rocket. Some people have made a lot of money. The early adopters have made some money. But if you're getting into Pepe right now, it could be too late. You guys could have missed the boat. So if we talk about Doge right now, we can see the Dogecoin right now, fear and greed index is at 49. It was still neutral, not too bad out there. And don't forget Dogecoin and Elon Musk, true love. And remember, I still believe that Dogecoin and Elon Musk, because of their partnership, could be taking Dogecoin to the moon. It's just a matter of time. Time. So I'm not panicking. I'm not too worried about that, guys. And right now, who rise of Dogecoin? Dogecoin right now is at 0.788. And we did see yesterday that even though Bitcoin went down 5%, we did see that Dogecoin only went down 2.57%. So that is not too bad, guys. Not too shabby. So from that perspective, we saw that from yesterday to today, we're only seeing 4%. So actually, Dogecoin has actually fared a little bit better than Bitcoin. So you guys should feel pretty good about that. We're seeing right now that only 54% of all Dogecoin holders are in the money. 40% are out. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Let's take a look at what's going on with the Dogecoin tokenomics right now. We're seeing Dogecoin is down about 2.43%. We're seeing volumes are up 25%, 319.299. Now we're seeing market cap is down, but we're still in the top 8 spot. So not too shabby out there. Let's take a look at who's loving the Doge. Right now, we're seeing on the weekly social sentiment mentions the sentiment is down. And right now, on the daily, we're seeing that nobody's talking about Dogecoin. Everyone's talking about this Pepe. Pepe, get Pepe, with Pepe out there. Let's take a refresh of what's going on in terms of Binance. Is Binance selling its U.S. tether out there or not, guys? So right now, we're seeing that net worth $68 billion. No movement with the USTD, so it looks like that's pretty good for Bitcoin. Maybe we could see Bitcoin going down further. So let's keep an eye on this. We'll keep you updated, guys. Don't forget, if you got your crypto on a central exchange, get it off there and get a hardware wallet. The link is down below, guys. So get linked up. Be safe out there. And guys, do not miss a beat. Do not miss a trick. And join our Discord. Be part of the conversation, guys. Absolutely be part of the conversation. We've got 14 people online. Let's say hello to the peeps. Hello, peeps. There we go. Hello, peeps. Great time to be live. Let's take a quick look at Shiba Inu right now. Shiba Inu had broken down like yesterday. It did some mad tankage out there. It's went down about 2% out there. It's up a little bit today, and it's trading at 0 and it's trading at 983. We got some resistance right now. This turn flipped to resistance right here at 1000 out there. So not too good. Let's see who's in the money, who's out of the money for the Shiba Inu. Internet's a bit wonky out here in Vietnam land. 27% are in the money, 70% are out. So you guys are absolutely feeling. So guys, that's going to bring this video to a close. Quickie out there. Go and follow me on my Twitter. We're getting pretty close to 7,600. I appreciate the support. Appreciate the love. And also, guys, don't forget to get some merch. Buy the merch. Be the merch. I love it. You love it. I'll see you in a freaking next one, guys. It's a great time to be alive. But let's get it, guys. Peace out. Be blessed. Be well. See you in the next one. Be hot.